Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin kung ano yung energies for yung ngayong second quarter ng 2026. So that's April, May, June. This is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. O kaya naman mag-book na kayo directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description. Or you can email me, mysticqueenph@gmail.com. So Capricorn, let's see. What's the energy second quarter, April, May, June 2026 for Caps? Wow, mid-heaven. Pinnacle. O yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong ma-achieve na isa sa pinakamataas na tagpo ng buhay nyo, ng career ninyo. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, may celebration pagdating sa career, trabaho. Pwedeng kayo ay makakakuha ng rewards. You will be recognized, no? May recognition. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng may promotion sa trabaho. You also have Virgo energy, which is about digesting things. So, ito ay pagiging detail-oriented, no? Some of you will focus on ano yung kailangan para ma-achieve nyo yung goal nyo. This is about your routines, no? Maaring mas magiging masipag kayo, mas magiging practical sa mga actions na gagawin ninyo. You also have first house, which is about yourself. So, I see na mas magiging focus ka sa mga goals mo. Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo ma-achieve, no? Sa second quarter. And naka-lock in ka doon. Talagang you really want to see yung progress. Progress mo sa trabaho, sa business mo, sa project mo, or even yung personal development mo. You have the Ten of Cups. So this is happiness about, family. Maaring merong magandang kaganapan sa family ninyo. Merong pwedeng new member of the family, or maaring you will spend more time with your family, with your kids kung may mga anak ka na. You also have the Hermit. So this is about self-reflection. I see na magkakaroon ka na mas maraming parang awakening in a way na you know something about kung ano yung dapat mong ayusin or improve sa sarili mo. Kasi magkakaroon ka na reassessment sa sarili mo na ito kailangan kong ayusin, i-improve, or kailangan kong itong tanggalin sa buhay ko, yung mga ganun. So, you will be more aware of your situation, ano yung problema, ano yung solusyon, at kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. You have judgment. So, that makes sense. Judgment is about rebirth. So, it's a brand new you. Bagong ikaw. Maaring may bago kang pananaw sa buhay. May awakening, no? Marami kang mga na-realize, natuklasan sa sarili mo, sa mga experiences mo. You also have the Tower. So, this is about major change and release. This is something spiritual or something inner na, changes sa buhay mo Na hindi siya sa physical, no? But this is about your inner higher self. So some of you, this is spiritual awakening. Mas may ma-master mo yung sarili mo. This is about having the discipline at focus para sa mga goals mo. Kasi pwede naman tayong mag-set ng goals na napakarami. Pero ang tanong, are we committed doon sa mga goals natin? Consistent ba tayo? So you will have the resources that you need para sa mga plano mo, sa mga goals mo, kung ano yung mga materials na kailangan mo, meron ka nun. So there's abundance. Kailangan mo lang bigyan ng attention yung kalusugan mo. Kasi minsan, masyado kang focus sa future, sa mga goals mo, nakakalimutan mo yung sarili mo. Kung ano man yung sinisignal sa'yo ng katawan mo, something's wrong, then kailangan bigyan mo yan ng attention para hindi ka mamroblema or hindi na yan maging parte po ng problema mo ngayong second quarter, yung iyong health, okay? Sensitive souls, strengthen your boundaries and cut cords. Ayan. So, strengthening your boundaries, hindi ka laging available para sa lahat. Kung sino yung sa tingin mo na parang nagtitake advantage sa'yo, you might be cutting connections from these people. You will focus on your growth and also sa sarili mo na kapayapaan ng isip. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.